Hello everyone, greetings of the day. Today I'm with you with very important my topic. The name of topic is successful job interview. And in this successful job interview, I will share with you very simple and very important tips so that you can prepare very well for the interview. And in this way, you will get a success in the interview. Surely you will get the success. And what is success? Success is a thing that you prepare very well, and at least you must become there in shortlist. Okay, you qualify the interview and you become in their short list of the candidates. So that will be your success, and in this way, in the the people among the short list will get the job. Okay, so listen this topic very carefully. It's very important. I will give you very insights, very nice and very good insights of the interview preparation. And people are qualified and they are worried about the jobs, and they are giving interviews but not getting success. And what are the reasons for that? So when you will hear my full interview, you will come to know how you have to prepare, and hopefully next time when you will appear in the interview, you will be much successful. So see, we split the preparation of the interview course into three main categories. Number one is your preparation prior to the interview. Number two, your preparation during the interview. And number third is the post interview. How you have to handle post interview. So in the first part, see, prepare yourself very well. People takes light that yeah they have interview, but they don't take serious, and they think, or their friends say, yeah, don't worry, you will go there and you appear for the interview. In this way, my dear, you will lose the chance. You should qualify yourself first. You should prepare very well. See, this opportunity maybe you are getting very seldomly, and very luckily you are getting this opportunity. There may be hundreds of people who applied for that, but maybe you include in 10 or 15 who got this opportunity to appear for the interview. So prepare very well, so that whatever they asked you, you could reply well. So and make practice of your preparation. I would recommend you in a room, stand in front of a mirror and ask questions and answer, and see how you are speaking, see your communication, see your fluency, and can you recall the things at the proper time or not. So when you will practice again and again, then you will be well prepared. So this is, I mean to say, the prepare. Okay, recall your CV, recall your projects, recall your experiences, recall your activities, what you did there, how you handled there, what are lesson learned over there. Recall each and everything and get prepared before the interview, before going to the interview. Okay, then, and second step is know about the company, for which company you are going to interview. So try to know about the business of that company and what is their need in this time, and what kind of candidate they are looking for. You must so that you should prepare accordingly, and you should focus more on those things, what the skill set they need, and what kind of experience, what kind of person, what kind of candidate they need. You should present yourself accordingly. And reach on the place of interview, or if it is online, get prepared around 15 to 20 minutes earlier, so that you should not get any upset before the interview. And don't worry, and remains confident and smiling. Okay, and I will give you, this is first part. Now for the second part, during the interview, I will give you very important top tips that don't nervous. Okay, don't nervous, speak clearly. Okay, and be polite and optimistic, and wear a nice dress. You wear means you are dressed, how well you are dressed, and how is your outlook. This also have some specific number. When we were used to take interviews, we have a sheet of 100 marks, and every traits, that let's say there are 10 things, so everything was having 10 numbers. Like one of them was appearance. How is your appearance? It has 10 numbers. So accordingly, the interviewer will give you 5 number, or 3 or 7 number, or 8 or full, as you will be well good looking Okay, and another aspect was to communication skills. Now, how is your communication? How you speak? How you explain things? How you catch the question? How you understand the question? How you reply that? What is your way of talking? How you are explaining? Is it circumferential or an in-depth communication, or in any logical communication like that? So accordingly, they will give you number. Then there are 10 numbers for your qualification, then 10 numbers for your experiences, then 10 numbers are how much projects you have, then 10 number your skill set, which skills you know, then 10 numbers there is how much software you are knowing. Okay, and then for example, then there are 10 numbers to what codes and standards you know. In this way, it is splitted, like some companies may have 50 numbers, total may have 100 numbers. So there is a set of questions, again that question there are numbers, so accordingly we have to get ready and we have to prepare. So be confident during the interview and remain smiling. Don't worry at all, as it is being said, don't worry at all. You don't have to worry at all, because there will be tough questions, and this will be also judged. One of the aspect of having 10 marks, that how was his situation handling. They can create a very tough situation, then they will see your response. Okay, how was in which manner your qualification and your communication was like that, or how did you handle that situation. So we have to take care. So the first question is very important, and very important question is just like introduce yourself, define yourself, say something about you. So this question is very important, my friends. If you give very good answer to this question, it is just like same as you have won 50% of this interview. If you give very good answer to this question, so be prepared very well, practice this question at least 10 times before the interview, standing in front of the mirror, speaking in English and defining yourself, and introducing yourself again and again, and think where you have to speak, what and how you have to present, and what words you have to use, and in which sequence you have to introduce yourself. So this is very important. Just an example, I will also give my own introduction just for your understanding. And whenever you are introducing yourself, you first of all you say thanks to them for giving this opportunity to interview. Number two, say your name, and then you tell your qualification, and then tell your experience, and then you say about your degree, from where you got this degree and when, in which year. Then start your companies, which company you joined, what projects you did, what was your role of responsibility, or what major activities you handle in next project, in next company. In this way you have to present yourself, and at the end you have to close on this thing, that currently I am handling these activities, and these activities you have to be very careful. You try to judge about the company, what kind of individual they are looking, what skill set they want to see, and what experience they are looking for. So accordingly, please, almost in whole introduction, and especially in the end, you reiterate those your experiences, what they did, what they are looking for that. So in this way you will introduce yourself. So just for an example, the introduction time should be around 3, 4 or 5 minutes maximum, not more than that. So I just introduce myself quickly. I will move fast. I want to keep this article as short as possible. So, sir, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to appear for the interview. My name is Mohammad Asghar, and I am a mechanical engineer. Basically,